What I wish I knew earlier. Greek salad is the ultimate quick and healthy meal. Let's dive right in. Start by placing 4 cups of crisp mixed greens in a large bowl. Add 1 cup of juicy cherry tomatoes, halved. Toss in 1 large cucumber, thinly sliced, and half a red onion, also thinly sliced. Now throw in half a cup of briny Kalamata olives. For the star of the show, sprinkle half a cup of creamy crumbled feta cheese over the top. Looks amazing already, right? Now let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, and 1 minced garlic clove. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle this delicious dressing over your salad and gently toss to combine. And voila! Your vibrant, flavorful Greek salad is ready to serve. Perfect on its own or paired with grilled chicken or fish. Whether it's a summer barbecue, meal prep, or a quick dish, this Greek salad is sure to be a hit. Enjoy!